Mm, Until I found you. Another night, another road with no direction. Talking to the mirror like it owes me an explanation. Carried every scar like a chain on my soul. Smile for the world while I bury what I know. Every dream fell farther than the stars in the sky. Every prayer turned into another why. People saw my face, but they never saw the fight. I was disappearing slowly every single night. Built these walls so nobody could see. The fear inside was becoming all of me. I kept running from the silence in my head, trying to outrun words that were already said. I thought hope was just a story people told, something you believe when your heart isn't cold. Then one moment changed the road. I knew everything was different until I found you. You didn't fix my broken past. You just showed me pain won't always last. Until I found you, I was lost in the rain, walking through the dark, carrying all the pain. You reminded me the sun still shines above. Even hearts with scars can still learn love. I was falling, you pulled me through. Life began again until I found you. Now I'm breathing with a different view. Everything changed until I found you. Still got battles that I fight each day. Still got memories that refuse to fade away. Healing isn't fast, it comes little by little, like putting broken pieces back into the middle. I'm not perfect, never claimed to be. I'm just someone learning how to finally breathe. The past still knocks, but I don't live there now. I'm writing better chapters, learning to somehow. Some days I stumble, some days I rise, but I don't measure hope by yesterday's lies. The road is long, but I'm stronger than before. I finally found something worth fighting for. Maybe every storm had a reason to appear. Maybe every heartbreak brought me somewhere here. I wanna erase the tears I've cried. They remind me that I survived. If tomorrow brings another test, I'll keep moving, giving it my best. Cause hope is louder than the fear I knew. Ever since the day I found you, until I found you, I believed I'd never heal. Now I know the darkest nights don't decide what's real. Every scar became a story I can tell. I climbed from the place where I once felt. I'm still growing, still becoming new. Every step reminds me what is true. I found hope when I had nothing left to do. My life began until I found you. Until I found you. If you're walking through the dark tonight, don't give up before the morning light. The road may break your heart in two, but everything can change, just like it changed for me. Until I found